Hey honeycrunchers, it's me Jham again and welcome to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be swatching and reviewing these nail polishes by Chic from Chic Nail Color, and this is their Slay All Day collection. Special thanks to my mom for buying me this collection. We have 3 creme polishes and 3 shimmery and glittery nail polishes. Now I'm removing the price tags of each nail polish. Whenever we buy nail polishes, I remove their price tags right away. Do you guys remove price tags from the nail polishes you buy too? I want to know them on the comment section. Now let's move on to the swatching. First is just Queenin. Of course, before applying each shade, let me apply a base coat first. Now let's apply one coat of just Queenin. If you apply a thick coat of it, it will be so opaque just how my pinky nail looks. I do love doing swatches with 2 coats even if it's opaque within 1 coat, therefore I'm applying another. Just Queenin has a grayish dark blue shade, which also reminds me of a dark denim color. Second is Hello Gorgeous. This one also looks opaque within 1 coat. I guess it's a must to apply a thick coat to really see its great opacity for a single coat. Now let's apply another. Hello Gorgeous is a pinkish nude shade that is an office-friendly color. You can totally wear this one for formal occasions as well. Third is So Lit. Again, it's opaque in 1 coat. Now I'm applying a second coat. So Lit has a dark gray color. Now let's move on to the 4th nail polish, which is Major Aura. And onto the second coat. Major Aura has a chocolate shimmery base with micro glitters. I'm totally digging this shade. It's subtle, but it's full of glam. Here's a macro shot of Major Aura. The 5th nail polish from the collection is Feel Extra. It has a jelly base. Jelly base or sheer nail polishes are perfect for showing the effects of a nail polish. It can totally show the different levels of the gold glitters and its shimmer. Applying the second coat will make it look like there are different levels of gold glitters and its shimmers, just like a jelly sandwich nail art. And here's the macro shot of Feel Extra. Now let's proceed to the last but not the least shade, which is Runway Girl. It has a jelly or sheer shimmery shade. This will look best when you apply it on different shades of nail polish. This will transform your regular nail polishes into a shimmery manicure. But it looks totally gorgeous even if you let it alone on your nails. It makes your nails shimmery and very eye-catching. And here's a macro shot of Runway Girl. Slay All Day collection has 6 nail polishes in total. One nail polish costs 38 pesos. One bottle contains 11 ml of nail polish. All of the crayon polishes are super opaque within one coat. All of the glitter shades are so unique and full of glamour. Plus, I'm loving Chic Nail Color's new bottle and brush. The brush is long and it's so easy to use on my nails. This collection also dries super fast. Here are all of the shades side by side. I hope you guys love the colors in this collection. Do you have a favorite shade? Share it on the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and for more videos and contents just like this, subscribe to my channel. And kindly share this video to your awesome friends. Never forget to follow me on Instagram. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!